Okay. So these are the questions of recent examination. This were asked in board examination 2020. So everybody should solve and show these questions now. So
And now also you haven't received.
yes, now I have received. Okay. So each and every question here, and if any, like you can see whatever mistakes you have done. Question 1, ABC are interior angles of a triangle ABC. मतलब अगर if three angles are triangles of interior angles of a triangle, their sum is 180 degree. When in trigonometry we do not use the sign of angle, we just write a plus b plus c equals to 180. Okay, what we have to prove? Sine of b plus c by 2 equals to cos a by 2. Okay, proof will write this way. From 1, a plus b plus c is 180, so b plus c is 180 minus a. Now sine of b plus c by 2 can be written as sine of 180 minus a by 2. That is sine 180 by 2 is 90 and a by 2 is a by 2. We know that sine 90 minus theta equals to cos theta. So sine 90 minus a by 2 will be cos a by 2, that is equal to RHS. This is first question done. Okay. Then question 2. Any doubt in this question? First question, yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I've done it differently. Is my solution correct?
Okay. So when we'll multiply under root of 1 plus sine a into under root of 1 plus sine a, it will be 1 plus sine a only. Under root of 1 minus sine a, under root of 1 plus sine a will be 1 minus sine square a. Okay. So that is 1 plus sine a upon under root of cos square a. Under root of cos square a is cos a. Now when 1 divide by cos a and sine a divide by cos a. Okay. 1 upon cos a is sec a and sine a upon cos a is tan a. This is what we want to prove. This is RHS. Okay. So here you have to remember, or you should have an idea that whenever we have this type of question, we'll multiply by something in numerator and denominator so that we get rid of square root sign. तो हमने अंडर रूट ऑफ 1 प्लस साइन ए से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो ऊपर न्यूमरेटर से स्क्वायर रूट साइन चला गया और डिनोमिनेटर में हमको cos स्क्वायर ए मिल गया, उससे भी स्क्वायर रूट साइन चला गया, एंड देन वी हैव प्रूव्ड. ओके. क्वेश्चन 3, we have to find simplest form of this sin square a by 1 plus cot square a. Okay, if we put identity 1 plus tan square a क्या होता है? What is identity 1 plus tan square a? Yes, Avni, what is the identity 1 plus tan square a?
cosec square a.
Sec square a. 1 plus tan square a is sec square a. 1 plus cot square a is cosec square a. Okay. Sec square a is 1 upon cos square a. Cosec square a is 1 upon sin square a. Whenever we have fraction upon fraction, this both will be multiplied, this both will be multiplied. So it is sin square a upon cos square a. That is equal to tan square a. Okay. So this question came in Phillips. So you have to write this. Okay, इसको ऐसे solve करेंगे. तो actually it's not necessary that what questions are given in the book will come as it is. They can come, they can be changed in some other form and can also be asked. Actually ये question कहाँ से निकला है? Last exercise के question number 5, exercise 8.4, question number 5, last part, 10th part, वहां से आया है ये question. Okay, तो it's not necessary कि हमको वो as it is पूछेंगे like this question is this. So here 1 plus tan square upon 1 plus cot square is tan square. This we have to prove. So this can come even like in the other form also. Okay. Then these are the 3 questions which were asked this year. Okay. Okay. So next question, CBSE 2019. Okay. Prove that tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta equals to 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. Okay. Solve this and show me now. Okay. This came in 2019 board examination. Okay, so some more questions I have written. They are from 2019 and 2018 board examination. You can try this question, find the answer and let me know. Okay, plus you can share your screen whenever you complete solving them. So solve them now. Answers now. Question number 2. Okay, so question number 2, we have already solved. It is a question of exercise. Okay, so here we'll solve this way. Tan theta will convert sin theta upon cos theta. Cot theta will convert cos theta upon sin theta. And then we'll take LCM of denominator first of all. After taking LCM of denominator, we'll rearrange whenever there is a fraction upon fraction that form. And then we'll get one sine cube identity. Okay. And this way we'll get RHS. Okay. Some students got the answer for this question. And okay, we'll discuss in detail. If you are not getting, we'll discuss in detail. Let me discuss all the answers first. Question number 3. Okay, cos 67 can be written as cos 67 is actually sine 23 because it is sine cos theta is sine 90 minus theta. Okay, minus sine square 23. So basically it is sine square 23 minus sine square 23. So answer will be 0. Okay. Here tan 2a can be written as cot 90 minus 2a and it is equal to cot of a minus 18. Okay. So this can be written as 90 minus 2a equals to a minus 18, or we'll get the value of a as 36. Okay. So this is the answer for this. This is the answer for this. And we have seen the solution. This is exercise question, third part, fifth question, third part, which we have already seen. Okay. Actually, this meeting is going to end. So I am reconnecting and then we will discuss again. Okay. So let us reconnect first of all. As
Ma'am,
yes, bolo.
मैंने